check. And then pick up the trot and go on round again. You can trot. She doesn't have to.
Oh, Comet's steady.
Look how good he is.
Mm-hmm.
All right, Callie.
I'm a pro
Let's
at
see you
this.
trot. Trot. Beautiful. Good job,
So
huh?
you're building your horse's confidence.
Yep.
This is good. I like the way you take the high spot.
Yep.
Good.
Jog again.
Jog again and continue jogging over that fallen
Yeah,
log.
jog the little one. Or the big side. Let it go. Comet.
Comet's like, I gotta catch up to Reba.
It's chasing tail.
Well,
Remember, you got that deadwood coming right after it. She can't possibly take off. You just keep steering. She's not going to take off through that, I promise you, okay? Yeah. Pick it up. Put some trust in your horse. Let her go on a loose rein. Loose rein. Loose rein.
She knows the game.
Loose rein. Loose rein. Drop the rein. There you go. Trust your horse. Drop the rein.
Nice.
Nice.
See, now you have.
Walk this one.
Now
Walk.
you got some trust. Good job.
Very good, Katya. Next time I'm going to have you lope it. You totally can. I was not going to do that today, but you totally can. There you go. Good, Callie. Good riding, hun.
Yeah.
And then pull Comet over here by your dad, okay? Katya, let your horse go and low. Go. Go, smooch. Go. Smooch. Go. Smooch. Smooch. Yeah, Katya! Relax. Relax. Good girl. Now sit. Get off her mouth. Get off her mouth. Sit.
Okay.
And then turn around and come back here.